Hi guys, maying hapon guys. O karon guys, magbisaya na lang ko guys para di ta manosblade.
Hi, today it's snowing.
Here's RJ. First day of snow. Look at this snow. It's so cold, RJ. No. It's so cold.
You can make my snowball.
Oh no. My goodness.
I'm gonna do angel.
Hey, you make you wet.
An angel. Snowy.
Your angel now. Careful. Cannot see you. Here, fishing mommy. Okay, come here. Uh-oh. Wow, it's so cold. First day of snow today. November 8th. RJ.
Snow.
Ew! Don't eat that. Go get in the plants, RJ. Much better in the plants, not there. Go there in the plants, oh, see? The beeline, RJ.
Now I'm gonna run as fast as I can and then snow.
Yeah, I'm shaking now, RJ. RJ, I'm shaking. Come here.
Ready? 3, 2.
RJ, I tell you, RJ, don't hear in closer to the patio because of the beeline spray, the chemicals. Don't do that.
Okay.
Go there in the plants. Much better in the plants if you want to eat. Yummy. Let's see. Show mommy. Show mommy here. Show.
What?
Where's
Sure.
your flip flops?
Show mommy. Let's see. Let's see. I cannot see. You have your hat. Eh. It has no RJ. Look. Enough now. Enough. No more. It's so cold, RJ. No, enough now. It make you more cold if you eating that. Let me see. Facing mommy. Oh, there you go. There. You see that, guys?
And I'm just gonna rest
It's
on
super cold.
my snow.
What snow we get? 2 inch?
Maybe that 2 inches.
That come from the sky.
Wow, it's like 6 inches here.
Wow, my goodness.
Up this up here.
3 weeks later.
Hi guys, maying hapon guys. O karon guys, magbisaya na lang ko guys para di ta manosblade. so karon guys, naata dirin sa gawas guys kay sa panahon ngayon nag-snow gabi guys. Grabe katugnaw diri guys. So ipakita na ko sa inyo ha guys kung unsa ka baga ang snow. Unya si RJ sayo ni mata ganina kay online school, so unya kami nangatulog pa si RJ naghimo og snowball, nagdagandagan diri sa gawas guys. Nananawa RJ guys. What you make, RJ?
Snowhead.
Snowhead. That you make today after your school?
Yeah.
Oh,
This is how I made it. The big one inside there. Put my head.
yep, there is a snowball, RJ. Do
I will
that.
throw it at you.
So karon guys mag-shovel mi guys, magpalam yaning snow guys kay naanag yun ang snow diri guys. Winter wonderland na diri. So pakita na ko ninyo sa unya guys, mag-shovel mi dito sa amo ang front driveway. So yan si RJ oh. Tanaw si RJ guys. So morning snow diri.
Aya!
Ikaduha na ning hugna sa snow. Pero before light lang nga snow. Karon kay baga-baga na nga snow. Tanawa ang panahon, makulimlim.
Look at this.
Look at
All clean. This is what
tanawa
this is
ang
all I
akong
do.
garden is so for snowy there.
What about I throw this?
Yan. RJ. So tara na RJ. RJ, let's go in the front. Yan guys. Kita na ko sa inyo mag-shovel mi guys. Ako ray time lapse guys para dali kay grabe man kung nagkadugayak mahuman guys kay kung lapad-lapad ang driveway dugay yun mahuman. So sige guys, let's go. Inani gini guys, basta winter na diri. December na guys. Kuhaon na to ning shovel. This shovel, RJ. Go get your shovel.
Are you?
Oh, ning kinabuhi sa Amerika guys kapag winter na. So yan, ang aming among palawon karon guys. Oh, tanawa. Ang lapad ng
Hey.
palahin namin guys. Yan ah. Oo. Mga parang 1 inches. Marag 1 inches guys. Ang snow.
It's like 2 inches.
Tanawa.
Ready?
Yep.
Ow!
Yes, Sergeant. Wow.
Where's the...
Look at that. RJ.
So fluffy.
Wow, look like 2 inches. Look like. Yan. Wow, look at that.
Stop it.
Snow.
I'm like the same thing happening right
Grabe,
at the
katog
start.
na. Yan, na mauli ng mga estudyante. Hindi online schooling. RJ. It's heavy.
Just kidding. It's not heavy.
That's so heavy.
Ready? I'm gonna go fast as fire.
Okay, go. Ooh, look at that. Yan. Wow, grabe RJ. Ang tagal to matapos.
Oh my God, water!
No. Yan, ang snow dito sa front yard, guys. Okay, have this too. Oh,
I shoveled this.
yeah, okay. There you go. There it is.
Well, wet.
It's wet here. That's better, not stick yet in the
Oh, you know I did.
not stick yet in
My
the
shovel.
cement, RJ. Don't do that, you make wet your hands. It's super cold, RJ. Now, look like so little to make a snowman, RJ. Not so thick, RJ. Yeah, maybe next time, RJ, if have snow again, we make kaso
So Nevada.
so light. So ganito ang life dito sa Amerika, guys, kapag winter na, guys. Palagi kayong mag-shovel dahil
You guys get rid of the edges. You take the middle.
slippery kasi kapag hindi shovelan, guys. Madakin us, guys. That's why mag-shovel kami every time kapag mayroong snow dito. Yan, oh. So yan, ang mga tao dito tapos na nag-shovel kami, wala pa. So, okay, guys, mag-start na ako ng shovel, guys. Ang dami snow, guys. So yun, guys, so yung snow parang inches or 3 inches this. Ayan. Oh, it's so heavy. Grabe kabigat guys. Oh. Grabe katugnaw na guys. Whew. RJ, what? We've been here. It's heavy. Ang bigat. Yan. So dito guys, oh, shabela na sa aming kapitbahay guys. Yan. Mabuti na lang sinashabel nila. Laki pang papalahin namin. Yun, oh. Hala pala. Ang tagal to matapos. Guys, the snow of RJ that you make today.
Snowman.
Snowman. It's so little
I
snowman.
yank it so much.
Oh my
I don't want to
God.
destroy it.
It's so small.
I don't want to destroy it.
Okay, put that there in the front.
Like here?
No, there in the front, in the snow, not there in the driveway.
Oh, good news. You're not going to be destroyed by a shovel.
Okay, go now. There is
I'll
RJ.
be seeing you.
Snowman RJ's.
I'll bury you.
Not there, go there. Oh, there RJ.
I will bury it.
Ah, have no.
Hey, yo, camera. Do you like snow? Okay.
Let's go close, RJ. Go for a bucket. Go for it, RJ. So that they see you. So, yan guys, hindi pa natapos. Kapag yun nahuman guys, yan. Lying down. Here, come here. RJ making angel here. Hey, come here. It's so dirty that there. Come here. Hey, come here. Here. Making angel here. Here. Be careful, have cement there, huh? Okay. Okay, you ready? RJ's making angel. Ooh. Here's RJ. How to make angel, RJ? How to make angel? Here's RJ. It's so cold. It's so very cold. Oh no! That's an angel.
Wanna do it?
You making angel? Here's RJ. Okay, Lynn, come here. Let's look like your angel. Let's see. Enough now. Let's see. What's the front? Your body front. Let's see. If angel. Come here. Let's see. Here it comes. RJ is full of snow.
Yeah, it does.
Oh wow, it's nice, RJ. Look at that. That's your angel. That's your head. That's your
Face.
that's the eyes and nose and face there. That's your head. There it
Time to
comes.
destroy it.
And there he
Time
is.
to destroy it.
Yep, here's RJ. Hello. Basin tomorrow na pa snow. Abot. Ay, oh, ang panahon. Dagom pa. Yan, guys. Yan ang snow. Dito sa Amerika, guys. Ganito kapag ang life dito, guys, is winter. Winter na. Winter wonderland na dito. Yan. So tatapusin muna namin to, guys. At saka mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo kung tapos na.
Hey, look at me.
Yes, RJ.